Today, I made a nice, cool Big Mac salad for my lunch. I have been working almost every day outside, and it is so hot. Highs in the 90s, and the humidity is just off the chart. But hey, that's summertime in the South, and you just learn to roll with it. Come to the kitchen, and I'll show you how I made it. I started out by browning some ground beef. All I add to mine is a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Once you have it browned and seasoned to your liking, just drain the excess grease off. While my beef was browning, I grabbed a mason jar and my blue plate mayonnaise. Now I need 1 cup or 8 ounces of mayonnaise in this jar. You can see the marking on there. And to that, I'm going to add some dill pickles. And I had those little snack size packs of dill pickles that needed to be used in the refrigerator, so that's what I used. Probably comes out to about 2 tablespoons. I added 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of sugar, or a sweetener of your choice. Next, I got out my trusty immersion blender and I mixed it all together. Now mine came out a little bit thicker than what I wanted. I think you could probably thin it a little bit with milk, but I had some dill pickle juice left in my little snack pack. I thinned it with the dill pickle juice. It was delicious too. Now it's time to put it together. I just chopped up a head of romaine lettuce, or a piece of a head, put it on a plate. I sprinkled a little salt and pepper on my lettuce. I have got lots and lots and lots of cherry tomatoes. I had, instead of planting the cherry tomatoes in the garden this year, I planted them around our pool, around the perimeter of the pool, the fence, and they have just gone crazy. I've got tomatoes everywhere. So I went outside, grabbed me a few warm tomatoes, sliced them up, put them on my salad, sprinkled my ground beef. I added a few more dill pickle, little petite dill pickles, some shredded cheese, and I also had a cheese stick. But it was delicious. Oh, don't forget, put your salad dressing on top. Now, I love this salad dressing. Even though it had a lot of dill pickles and dill pickle juice in it, it still came out sweet. I guess that 1 1/2 tablespoons of sugar. It was a sweet dressing, and it was delicious on this salad. But anyway, from this point, you can add any toppings that you would like or that you have extra in your refrigerator at the time. But it was delicious. So, I would encourage you to try it. It is light and refreshing on these hot summer days. And hey, it's low carb as well. Okay, back to work for me, and I'll talk to y'all later.